buddy, okay? Yeah, sorry about the wait.
It's alright.
Had a little love, but I let it go. Had a little love, but I let it go. Had a little love, but I let it go. Had a little love, but I let it go.
So here we are, guys. I'm just about to pick up my car. I don't even know where the entrance is. This place is massive and there are loads of cars around. As you can see, lorries taking cars on and off and all that stuff. So just fingers crossed that the car is going to be good. Right, got it. Now we need to look for number 72. Right, so there we have it. I just popped the bonnet, so nothing wrong with that. The car looks better than I expected. It's not bad. The bodywork is quite good. Don't think it needs much work. It's got a few scratches here. They'll polish out. Back is alright. The interior is quite clean and smart. Now I need to install the coolant cap, which was missing. That was the only thing on the report that was not alright. That's why they can deliver the car by road. Right, so it looks like it's got enough coolant in there, but it's a bit too much. So just hope the cap is going to fit. Yes, thanks God for that. That means I can drive the car back. Don't have to spend the night here in a hotel or something, or on the side of the road. Engine base, alright. Now let's start it up. I'll just wait for the temperature to go up before I drive the car. In the meantime, I'm just gonna tax it quickly because I haven't got the trade plates. Let's see if the car starts alright. Oh, it's keyless. It's not bad. Sounds alright. Started very easily. Nice steering wheel. But this is what worries me. That is what worries me. It's not bad. So I'll just let it run for a while. See if the temperature goes up. Quarter tank of fuel, so that'll take me to the nearest petrol station, hopefully. So I just got the car out from the yard, and I'm on a road, and I can't believe how well it drives. I'm shocked. I was expecting to have problems with the gearbox, being a power shift and having 7 previous owners. But so far the car is perfect. It's brilliant. I'm shocked. So hopefully it will take me back safe. Right, just a quick update, guys. I've been on the motorway for quite a while. I'm on the M1 at the moment, and the car drives perfectly. The temperature is fine. Everything works as it should. Engine sounds nice. The gearbox works perfect. There's nothing wrong with the car. I've tried every button, everything. The heating works properly, AC works properly. I'm very happy with the car. Honestly, I expected this to be a very, very big disappointment. 1, because I bought the car by mistake. 2, because it has 7 previous owners. That's massive for a 2012 car. And yeah, so far it's good. I just hope I don't jinx it, and I'll update you in a bit. Right, so I've done about 40 miles. So far so good. Didn't have any problems with the car. Honestly, it drives like brand new. Suspensions are good, the brakes are good. Nothing wrong with it. I don't understand why it has such a high number of previous owners. But let's have a quick look around the car. Now that I stopped in a parking lot. The alloys are not bad. This could do with a refurb. I'll get that done. Tires are pretty new. The only problem is I haven't got the locking wheel nut. This side is okay. It's got a dent here, tiny one. It's a used car, not the end of the world. Yeah, it's gonna need new tires on the back, new rear tires. Yeah, 100%. Well, they're still road legal, but I'll just get them changed. The back is pretty good. Got some floor mats. Not the best, they're probably the cheap ones from Amazon. And yeah, I did check around here, couldn't find any locking wheel nut. Got a small dent here, which again is not the end of the world. Yeah, this definitely needs to be changed. But yeah, overall I'm happy with the car. The seats need a good clean. It smells a little bit like dog, but it's not too bad. I really like the central console. Yeah, I'm very happy with that. So I'll update you guys once I get back.